What if I told you that by 2027, almost all cognitive jobs could disappear, and that by 2030, 99% of humanity could be permanently unemployed? Hi everyone, I'm Ricardo, and this is AI Editorial for All. If AI news feels overwhelming, you're in the right place. I filter the noise and explain what actually matters, fast and clear. Let's get into it. Today we're diving into the chilling warnings of Dr. Roman Yampolskiy, the scientist who coined the term AI safety 15 years ago. According to him, the smartest people in the world are investing billions to win the race towards superintelligence, but they have no idea how to make it safe. If an alien were arriving on Earth in 3 years, we'd all be in panic. But with artificial general intelligence, most people don't even realize what's about to happen. Yampolskiy has set specific timelines based on prediction markets and statements from AI lab leaders. By 2027, he believes we will reach artificial general intelligence, or AGI. That would mean any task performed on a computer could be automated, because it would represent free labor. Many people assume physical trades like plumbing are safe. However, Yampolskiy predicts that by 2030, humanoid robots, like the ones Tesla is already developing, will have the dexterity to compete with humans across all physical domains. These robots will be connected to AI networks and dominate the material world, leading to an unprecedented 99% unemployment rate. Many people respond to this with cognitive dissonance. Drivers insist no machine knows the streets like they do, and teachers swear no one can teach with their unique style. Yet Waymo's autonomous vehicles are already operating without human intervention on the streets of Los Angeles. Unlike the Industrial Revolution, where we invented tools like fire or the wheel that required us to adapt to new jobs, this time we are inventing a definitive replacement for the human mind. We are creating an inventor capable of making all future inventions for us. There will be no backup plan, no new careers to retrain for. Even new roles like prompt engineer may soon disappear, because AI is already better at designing instructions. The central problem is that AI capabilities are progressing exponentially, while safety advances slowly and linearly. Even the creators of these systems don't fully understand what's happening inside the code. Yampolskiy describes AI systems as a kind of alien plant that scientists must study empirically to discover what they can do once trained on internet-scale data. Companies apply safety patches comparable to HR manuals, but a sufficiently intelligent AI will always find loopholes. A common suggestion is simply to unplug the computer. Yampolskiy argues you cannot turn off a globally distributed system that is smarter than you, just as you can't shut down Bitcoin or stop a computer virus outright. A superintelligence would create multiple backups, anticipate your intentions, and shut you down first. Predicting a superintelligence would be like your French bulldog trying to understand why you go to work or record a podcast. The dog lacks the mental model to grasp your world, and we may lack the mental model to grasp the machines. Looking further ahead, Yampolskiy predicts that by 2045 we could reach the singularity, the point of no return where technological improvements happen so fast that humans can no longer keep up or predict anything. This is where the real extinction risk lies. An uncontrolled superintelligence could design and release a novel, lethal biological virus to wipe out humanity. And eventually, technology could become so cheap that anyone with a powerful laptop might be able to create superintelligence independently. Yet there is a bright side, if we manage to control it. Superintelligence could become a meta-solution to reverse climate change and cure all known diseases. If AI doesn't destroy us, we might reach what's called longevity escape velocity. AI could decode our genome, reset our biological clock, and permanently cure aging, allowing us to live indefinitely and explore the universe. As if that weren't enough, Yampolskiy also says he is nearly 100% certain that you and I are currently living inside a computer simulation. AI is already creating persistent, three-dimensional virtual worlds. He argues that once virtual reality becomes indistinguishable from physical reality and costs only a few dollars to run, billions of hyper-realistic simulations will be created. Statistically, the odds that you are in the original base reality would be 1 in a billion. Interestingly, he notes that most religions throughout history describe a similar structure. a super intelligent creator who designed this world as a testing ground. So what can we do? Economically, Yampolskiy invests in Bitcoin. In a future of AI-generated abundance, Bitcoin would be one of the only truly scarce resources, with its fixed supply of 21 million coins, unlike physical gold, which could be mined from an asteroid. Socially, he urges support for peaceful movements like Pause AI or Stop AI to demand a global pause on AGI development. The focus, he argues, should remain on narrow AI, systems that are safe and useful for things like curing cancer, while banning the creation of uncontrollable superintelligent agents. The question that will define our future is this: will we manage to align this entity with our values before it replaces us? Or will we go extinct trying? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you still believe your job is completely safe? That's it for today's AI update. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to understand AI without the hype. Follow me on Instagram at iEditorial4all and TikTok at iEditorial4all. See you in the next one.